guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty for those who are new in this channel, and in today's video I just want to clean my living room and also introduce another theme color, although I don't know whether it's going to work perfectly, but let us do it together to see the transformation.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you pulled me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Silver once golden, there's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do to be you again. Some things I can't fix, feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded, there's only so much hope in that. I
these colors blended nicely, and the fact that the throw pillow covers has so many colors, that is white, black and yellow in it, and I thrifted them in Decor. If you didn't watch that video, kindly go and watch. I did my nail and I love them so much. The only challenge is that they are long, but I'll have them reduced.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home.
Kindly comment how you think about these colors, but for myself, I really love them so much.
I will carry you home. Carry you home.
I bought this shelf from a local foodie. I want to mount it at this place so that I can remove all these wires and extensions from this coach arm. I really don't love how these extensions have been hanging to this place. Even if you clean, you always see the place look disorganized. And for the floor, I'm using a Jig Bridge, citrus air freshener, sedoso guard, antiseptic disinfectant, and down the brown one. And the combination bring a very nice smell in the house.